This ball will roll down our inclined plane and fall into the bucket, which is attached to a pulley. This pulley is also a wheel and axle because it's on a rod. This will pull on the string, which will pull and disengage the lever, which will drop the CD case, acting as a third-class lever, pulling on the string, pulling our balloon up onto a wedge, which will pop it.